Write the equation of the perpendicular bisector of this line segment, PQ, and here are your coordinates. So let's quickly visualize what this is going to look like. -3, 22 would be something like this, and 7, 2 would be something like this. So this is the line segment that we're going to bisect. So bisect means we're going to pass through its midpoint, and perpendicular means that we're going to make a right angle where we intersect it. So we expect our black line segment to have a negative slope, and we expect our purple perpendicular bisector to have a positive slope, and we expect our intersection to be right about here, some positive. So let's see what happens with that. So I actually made a mistake the last time I tried to make this video, and I caught my mistake because of the picture that I drew. So again, I need the slope of the line segment that I get needs to be negative, and then the slope of my perpendicular bisector needs to be positive based on my sketch. So to find the slope, the vertical change over the horizontal change, and let's substitute. So you have 2 minus 22 over 7 minus -3. Make sure you have 2 minuses because one of them is subtraction and the other is the negative and -3. So 2 minus 22 is -20. And 7 minus -3, negative is the same as plus. 7 plus 3 is 10. So I have my slope of the line segment is -20 over 10. Then I need to go perpendicular, so change the negative to positive and flip the 10 and the 20. So positive 10 over 20. This can be reduced or it can be simplified to positive 1 over 2. That means that my slope right here is going to be positive 1 over 2. Now we need to find the midpoint. So we'll find the average of x. -3 plus 7. Remember, average, think add. And then divide by 2. -3 plus 7 is positive 4. Positive 4 divided by 4 is, positive 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now the y values, the average of y. We have 22 plus 2. And then divide by 2. 22 plus 2 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So we have our midpoint at 2, 12. So substitute 12 for my y value. Substitute 2 for my x value. And then let's solve to find b. Again, perpendicular slope, substitute for m, the x value of the midpoint, and the y value of the midpoint. I know that my final answer will have a slope of 1/2, and now I need to find the b value. I set up the x value as 2 over 1 so I can multiply fractions. So 1/2 times 2 is 2 over 2, which is the same as 1. Now subtract 1 from both sides and get b equals 11. So that means that the equation of my line should be y equals slope of 1/2 times x plus b, where b is positive 11, so plus 11.